In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a zero instead of a no data or null value in Looker Studio. When your charts or tables display blank spaces, it can often lead to confusion and misinterpretation of your data. So replacing these null values with zero can make your report cleaner and more readable, and that's precisely what we're going to tackle today. First, let's head over to Looker Studio. Open your browser and navigate to Looker Studio's dashboard. Once you're there, find the specific chart, table, or scorecard where you want to display zero in place of missing data. This is important because it allows you to provide a more accurate visual representation of your data. Click on the desired element to select it. You'll notice that a panel appears on the right side of the screen when you click on the element. This panel is where you can adjust various visualization settings. Next, in the right side panel, you'll want to open the Style settings. Look near the top of the panel and you'll find a tab labeled Style. Click on this tab to reveal a host of styling options for your selected visualization. As you scroll through these options, keep an eye out for a section labeled Missing Data, or sometimes just Missing. This section is crucial because it dictates how Looker Studio handles situations where data might be absent. Now that we're in the right place, it's time to change the missing data display to zero. In the Missing Data section, you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu lets you choose how you want Looker Studio to handle null or empty values. Click on the drop-down menu and select Show Zero or simply Zero, depending on the version you're using. Implementing this setting will replace all the missing or null values in your selected visualization with zeros, providing a more informative display. After selecting zero, your chart or table should update instantly. Look through your visual to ensure that all previously empty or no data cells now display a zero. If, for some reason, the change does not appear right away, refreshing your browser or reselecting the element can often solve this problem and confirm that the setting was applied correctly. If this change is beneficial for the current visualization, you might want to apply it to other visuals in your report. Simply repeat the same steps for any other charts, tables, or scorecards. Consistency is key, as having a uniform display across all visuals not only makes your report look complete, but also incredibly easy to interpret. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to enhance the clarity of your reports by replacing those pesky no data fields with zeros. Thanks for watching.